Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to title your form and give a description about your questionnaire created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and after that you should go to your homepage, and here you can find this untitled form section. Tap on it and delete it and type in the title of your questionnaire. You can also insert an image to it if you tap on this button, and if you tap on the form description box below the title, you can type in your description that will appear at the beginning of your questionnaire, so you can explain what this form is about. You can include the time frame within the participants of your questionnaire need to fill out the form. You can also include an additional thank you message to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.